Okay. So welcome to the Wednesday workshop of the 5th Annual Ken Kennedy AI and Data Science Conference. I'm Lydia Kavraiki, the director of the Ken Kennedy Institute. We just finished 2 days of invited and contributed virtual talks, and yesterday afternoon we had the opportunity to meet some of the attendees at an outdoors reception. Monday keynote speakers discussed the future of NASA missions, how to teach AI to speak multiple languages, scale up deep learning, AI for good, and AI ethics. On Tuesday, we had an exciting lineup of technical talks selected from submitted abstracts covering AI for good, algorithms and foundations, business impact, and healthcare. During the lunch break on Tuesday, there was a workshop on machine learning for energy transition. Today, we gather for a technical workshop titled Scalable and Sustainable AI, Overcoming the Wide Gap Between AI in Theory and AI in Production, organized by Professor Anshumali Srivastava. Before we get started, I would like to deeply thank the Executive Director of the Ken Kennedy Institute, Dr. Angela Wilkins, who is sitting here, who worked tirelessly together with a dedicated program committee to deliver such an amazing conference. We are fortunate to have the support of Michelle Atkinson and Mackenzie Lee, who were here. Michelle is over there, and Mackenzie was outside. They really meticulously have taken care of every single detail of this conference. Last but not least, I would like to thank our sponsors, Bright Data, the Bright Initiative, DDN, Microsoft, PROS, Samba Nova Systems, 2 Sigma, and Vast Data. Their support enabled us to offer complimentary registration to all our attendees. So now let's move on with our workshop. We are excited to welcome you in person today. There is no doubt there is a gap in AI theory and AI in production, and I personally look forward to understanding how this gap can be bridged for the benefit of academia, industry, and society broadly. This workshop will contribute knowledge and tools in designing a new generation of scalable and AI algorithms. Recordings from today, as well as the majority of the virtual conference, will be uploaded to the Ken Kennedy Institute YouTube page soon. So we ask you, when you have a question, to please come down to one of the microphones in the aisles and ask your question. Now I would like to introduce Professor Anshumali Srivastava, the organizer of the workshop. Anshu is an associate professor of computer science, of electrical and computer engineering, and of statistics at Rice University. He is also the founder of Third AI Corporation. His research focuses on large-scale machine learning, scalable and sustainable deep learning, randomized algorithms for big data, and graph mining. Anshu has received multiple awards, including the 2021 Young Faculty Research Award from Rice University George R. Brown School of Engineering, Science News 10 Scientists to Watch in 2018, the ACM Sigmund Most Reproducible Paper Award in 2018, NIPS Best Paper Award in 2014, NSF Career Award, the AFOSR Young Investigator Award, and this list goes on. His work has received extensive coverage, and we are very proud at Rice to have him as a colleague. Anshu, I invite you to the podium for opening the workshop.
Thanks a lot, Lydia. Thanks for coming, and this topic is near and dear to my heart. I mean, we all know about AI, and I think, again, this is also my research topic, is that scalability and efficiency in AI is probably the next big thing, and that is why I'm very excited to be having this workshop, where we are going to focus on some of the techniques that are, when you use a system and code your AI and make experiments, you, for example, skim over some of the very fine details about how to make that system work at scale and make it faster. And I think with this workshop, I got an opportunity to focus on some of the things and bring some new ideas to light. And this is why I'm very excited to and look forward to today's session.